If you want to make designs like those, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. All of those came from Claude Design, and in this video, I am building 3 professional ones live on screen so you can see the whole thing happen and steal every prompt I use. Alright, so the first one I'm going to build is a documentary-style stat reveal. You know those moments in high-end videos where a number just sits on screen and feels really cinematic and heavy? That is what I am going for here. Just go to Claude, hit Claude Design, set your preset to animation, and you can see exactly what I am typing right now. It only takes 1 prompt. Oh, and by the way, I listed all 3 prompts in the description so you can test them yourself quickly. Check it out. So look at how that came out. The background has this really subtle texture to it. It does not look digital and flat. It feels like something you would actually see in a proper production. And the way the number counts up with that blur between each increment and then just snaps into 439 clean, that is what gives it the weight. And then after it lands, it has this tiny pulse, like it is breathing. I did not add any of that manually. I just described the feeling I wanted and Claude built the whole thing. That is genuinely what a Netflix data moment looks like, and I got it in 1 generation. The second one is a broadcast lower third. This is the name and title graphic at the bottom of the screen you see in every news program and interview video. Every YouTuber doing talking head or interview content needs one of these, and most people are either using a basic template or paying someone. Same thing, I'm going straight into Claude Design, animation preset, and I am typing the prompt live right now. Reminder that this one is in the description too, so you do not have to copy it off the screen. That ticker at the bottom scrolling, the little on-air light pulsing next to the name, the shimmer running along the blue bar, all of that together is what makes this look like it was pulled straight from a television broadcast and not built on a free online tool. I have seen people pay designers a few $100s for a lower third that looks less polished than this. And Claude built it because I described each of those elements specifically. That is the whole trick. You tell Claude what you actually see in professional productions and it builds it for you. The third one is probably my favorite. It is a brand transition sting. The short animation you see between segments in premium YouTube series and Apple keynotes. Most channels use a hard cut. The ones that feel expensive use something like this. Back into Claude Design, animation preset, and I am typing this one out right now. Last reminder, this prompt is in the description as well. All 3 of them are down there. Watch what happens. So it starts from pure black. That single white line appears, and then it peels open like a curtain to reveal the scene behind it. And then the logo builds itself. The ring draws around it, the name tracks in underneath, and then it shuts back to black in that same motion. The whole thing is 3.5 seconds, and it completely changes how professional a video feels. You put this between every segment of your content, and suddenly your channel looks like it has a real production budget behind it. That is what 1 prompt built. Before I go, I just want to quickly show you that this is genuinely only one part of what Claude Design can do, because I think a lot of people just see the motion graphics side and miss everything else. Claude Design builds fully interactive app mockups. You describe what you want your app screen to look like, and it builds a live working prototype you can actually click through. It builds complete landing pages with scroll effects and 3D elements. Data visualizations, charts, animated infographics, slide decks you can present straight from the browser, and thumbnails. You describe what you want your YouTube thumbnail to look like and it designs one. Everything it produces is live code, not a flat image, so you can keep refining it with follow-up prompts until it is exactly right. All 3 prompts I used today are in the description, so you can grab them and try them yourself. If you want me to build something specific for your channel or your niche in the next video, just drop it in the comments. Subscribe to my channel because I cover this stuff every week to level up your AI knowledge.